everyone, welcome back to Next Step Tech. Today I'll be unboxing this gift hamper I received from HCL Technologies. It's always nice to receive appreciation and I thought I'll share this experience with you. So let's see what's inside. The packaging looks great and it's clear that a lot of thought went into putting this together. Small gestures like this can really make employees feel valued and motivated. A big thank you to HCL for this thoughtful gift hamper. If you enjoyed this tech content, career tips and interview preparation and insights from the IT industry, make sure to subscribe to Next Step Tech. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.